Alright guys, I'm not home yet. I haven't reviewed the footage, but I just wanted to apologize for any audio issues that are going to be in this video. The snow was rough, waterlogged my camera, so I know the audio is going to be bad. I haven't looked at it yet, but I know it's going to be bad. So, but I caught a couple nice fish, so I really wanted to show you guys. Anyways, I'll take you, I guess, from here straight into the video. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to SC Outdoors. You know the drill at this point. Out trout fishing. It is it's cold, it's snowy. We're supposed to get about 3 to 6 inches today. Most of the snow is from last weekend, but we're getting another 3 to 6 today. It's supposed to be done by like 1, so I figure I'll be okay. Hitting a small stream, looking for wild browns, I believe. Not much online about this stream. Tried to do some research on it, but I did find out that there's wild browns, and that it used to be stocked by a club in as late as 2016. I don't know if it still is or when the last time they did, but so I guess you could maybe find some stock fish as well. But I don't know. I'm just gonna throw a trout magnet around. It is cold. It's about 28 degrees. It should warm up a little bit, but for now, rocking the gloves, unfortunately. But anyways, I'm gonna head down there and see if I can find some fish. There we go. Knew there had to be a brown in there. Oh, sweet. He unhooked himself for me. Back over here. Awesome. I knew there had to be a good fish or a fish in there. I shouldn't say good fish. He's not huge, but any brown I will take. Pretty nonetheless. And there's nothing quite like fishing in the middle of a snowstorm and catching some trout. There we go. Oh, that's a nice fish. Holy cow. Oh my gosh, dude. No way. Yes. Dude, that's a big fish. Get out. I cannot believe he came out of this creek. Alright, guys. I'm gonna take a look at this chunker. Beautiful fish, man. That fish has to be, it's long. I mean, it's got to be at least 16, maybe 17. Beautiful fish, male. Let's go. Off he goes. I did not expect to fish that nice out of this creek, that's for sure. That already makes this trip worth it. Hopefully you guys can hear me, by the way, because I know my camera's soaked. I'm sure the audio is just fantastic. But anyways, nice fish. Let's keep it going. There we go. Another decent fish. Let's go. Knew there had to be one somewhere in this hole. Oh, there goes the hook. Perfect. This is another good fish. And these fish are just so yellow. I love it. They're beautiful fish. And that's a solid 10, 11 inch fish. Take him for sure. I just missed one. Shoot. Been a little bit since I had a bite. Not a ton of fishable water in this stream. It's a lot of shallow stuff, but looking like we're getting into a couple good holes here. Hopefully we can pull one or two more out before we run out of space. There's one. Ooh. Got myself stuck in this tree here. There we go. Just after I missed that last fish. All right, so there we are. Another beautiful brown. Back in. Oh, there had to be a fish in there. Like I said, it's been a little bit since I had a bite. We do have some more space, so hopefully we can get another fish or two here. Ah, man, missed another one. It's the second fish I missed in this pool. Slow and deep, I knew there had to be some fish in there. He really didn't get it that much, so I'm hoping he might come back for it. There he is. Yep. Oh my gosh. Sorry, buddy. Almost threw him into the snow. He scared me. Alright, so there we go. Another fish. Another small one. I'll tell you what, these fish are really yellow in here though. I love it. It's just such a cool looking strain that's in here. It's kind of intense because the water's pretty dark. Most of the rocks are brown. So I'm just following my white trout magnet, and out of nowhere it just kind of, something comes up and just sucks it down. Kind of crazy, but so cool. Alright guys, wrapping it up here at this stream. Couldn't find any more fish. Like I said earlier, it's a little bit tough to find fishable water in this stream. A lot of really shallow stuff, but there is, you know, some decent holes, and found some good fish, so I really can't complain. Love fishing in this this setting with the snow and everything. One of my favorite parts about wintertime. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, please subscribe for more content, and I'll see you next time when I see you outdoors.